Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. 2 hours ago on April 3, 2031, a local area emergency has been issued for Gastonia due to reports coming in of an unknown figure roaming around the streets violently biting anyone or attacking them in sight. This figure is described as a purple rabbit, with cartoonic eyes and mouth from the 1920s, has pink overalls and is barefooted. People are claiming his Jax from the 2023 Gooseworks show called The Amazing Digital Circus, but cannot be confirmed at this time. If already confirmed, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further information and stay safe. A local area emergency has now been upgraded to a civil emergency message. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. Someone has already confirmed it's Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus. If you see him, run until you think he's gone. If you hear grunting, keep running, otherwise it will die. People haven't did it died, do it now if sighted. More updates will follow as it becomes available.
The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. It has been confirmed that Jax was reported to be breaking into people's homes and shooting them with guns. He also has the ability to spawn creatures called Abstractions. If you see Jax or the Abstractions, call 911 immediately. This message for approximately repeat tomorrow at 7 a.m.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. Jax and the Abstractions are now more powerful than earlier. One punch can wipe out a person in 2 seconds. If someone in your family or someone you love has not responded, just assume they are either dead or classified as missing. More information will be gathered as the situation worsens.
Guys, I know I'm 17 and what I'm doing, but trust me, we can win again. Well, brother, I'm about to be in college, well, I already am at college, but, well, I'm about to move out of my, mom's house. Yeah, and then I'm gonna find and start a family. Well, you can come with me one last time. Alright, brother, let's do this for one last time. Come on, let's go do this right now.
immediate evacuation for Gastonia until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. Kameron, Miles, Olivia, Paulina, Vava, Karen, Sunny, Sarah, Untie-Red, Nana, Mario, Luigi, Team Sonic, and many more are going to defeat Jax and the Abstractions once and for all. If you wish to fight, wear stomach armor to protect yourself at all times alongside any by-legal force weapons. This battle will approximately last for 3 weeks. Stay tuned for further information as the next update becomes available in 3 weeks.
Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you can make your own EAS alerts by using select voice and text-to-speech announcement. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS scenario. Thanks for watching.